Shower repair services offered by Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Santa Cruz County, CA, are designed to address a variety of issues that can affect the performance and comfort of your shower. Whether it's minor repairs or more extensive work, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a trusted local solution for shower repair needs. Call our shower repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a shower repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. Do you handle water pressure issues in showers? Yes, our team can diagnose and resolve low or fluctuating water pressure. Often, this is caused by clogged shower heads or pipes due to mineral buildup, which we can clean or replace as needed. Can you fix hard water-related shower problems? Absolutely. We specialize in water treatment and can address limescale buildup caused by hard water. We can clean affected fixtures and offer solutions like water softeners to prevent future issues. What is your service area for Santa Cruz County, California? Our shower repair has helped clients in Santa Cruz, SoCal, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, San Jose, California. Where is your Santa Cruz County, California shower repair office located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, California 95060. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa-Cruz-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair.